Welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing everything about Wipro, like the onboarding date, location preference, velocity update, turbo update for phase 1 as well as for phase 2 candidates. And all the updates which I will discuss are completely real, no fake news I will provide you to create panic among you all. So nothing fake I will give. So all the updates I will provide you in this single video. So watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, join the Telegram group. Link is in the description box. And if you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. Also, you can message me on the Telegram group. So I try to give replies to all your comments. So let's start with the video. So first, coming to the onboarding date for phase 1 as well as for phase 2 candidates. So many of you, for first I'm telling about the phase 1, many of you guys for the phase 1 have postponed their onboarding or still now have not received onboarding for phase 1 candidates. I will tell you that before a few months, like before June, Wipro was planning to have onboarding for all you guys for phase 1, also for phase 2 in the month of July. So in many videos, in my videos also, you have heard that it may they are planning to have onboarding for June or July. In many other YouTube videos also, you have seen in other channels. But guys, I will tell you that like recently I have a conversation with the Wipro team. I have mailed them and they have given me the reply that they have not fixed any tentative date yet for Wipro onboarding. So the all the dates, like when will be your onboarding for phase 1, phase 2, they are not mentioning a particular month or particular dates. So they just have said that you will receive a mail soon as per their business requirements, as per the onboarding team will see that whether it like the about the requirements, they are going to provide you the mail. So everything between you and the team will be communicated through emails. If you mail to the manager also, same reply you will get. So many channel I have seen, they are till now they are telling that the onboarding will be in the month of August or July. No guys, it won't be in the month of July August. It may be in the month of July August, but surely you will get, we can't say that, because today only I have got the information from few sources that they are planning for the onboarding, but it may vary for few candidates or it may vary for the other candidate also. So don't worry guys, don't panic. If you have received the offer letter and cleared all the BJV green audit mail, and also the addendum letter, if you have got all these, definitely you will get hired, if you will get joining dates. So no need to worry. Yes, you need to wait a bit, because as I said, all as per the business requirements. So when they are planning, we don't know, we can't give the tentative dates. Even they are also not giving the tentative dates. So this was all about onboarding. Next is location preference. So many of you guys were asking me that where will be a location after joining, what like we have provided the location that we what we have provided, that will be our location, or they can give us any other option also. So I will say that in 90% case, the preference which you have provided as a first location preference, Wipro tries to like accommodate you to that preferred preference location only. But in few cases it has been seen that it may vary. So that is also like as per the requirements. If that location, if any particular location, say Bhubaneswar, all the seats are like full and no more candidates are required there, then they can shift you to Hyderabad or Bangalore office or Kolkata office. So that is completely up to the team. But in 90% cases, be sure that whatever location you have provided, they are going to give you that particular location only. Third question coming up was from velocity update or turbo for the phase 2 candidates. So I will tell you that till now for phase 2 candidates, many students have not got any velocity update or turbo update. So I will tell you that if you are eligible, then they will give you a velocity mail, and you have to complete that course. There will be a particular course, you have to complete that course. And if you qualify in that course with a good score, with a good grace, then only you will be selected for the velocity program, and then you will be hired as a turbo, and you will get a turbo offer letter with a package of 6 lpa. Okay, so if you don't get selected, if you have not qualified that test, then you won't get a like turbo or velocity. You will be hired as a elite. Okay, so that will be after you complete that particular course. That also will be communicated through email. Everything is going to communicate through email, guys. No need to worry that I'm not getting this, I'm not getting that, because they are also like, we are not one two three four students, there are thousands of students they are hiring every month, right? So it becomes hectic for them also, so they are doing everything in phase wise manner. And they will like, you will receive every mail. Don't worry, if you have got the offer letter, you will get a joining date also. And also one more thing I will add up here is about the pjp or pbl update. So that also I have discussed from the team, that the pjp or pbl also you will receive a mail soon before onboarding. So pjp will be before onboarding, so you will receive that also soon. And many April, May, and June interview results are not yet out. So that also I have discussed, and they have said that yes, they have started sending offer letters for the May month interviews. So don't worry, don't panic. You will also receive it very soon. So one thing only I will tell you guys, that many of you are panicking that whether I will get a joining date or not, or this or that. Don't worry, guys. If you have received the offer letter, Wipro team will definitely give you the onboarding dates and all the laptop shipments and everything. Every criteria will be fulfilled. So no need to worry about it, right? So this was all about today's video. If you have any further queries, drop a comment in the comment box. I will reply to the comments. And if you like my video, I think it will be helpful to you, then definitely like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and join the Telegram group as I said earlier. So I will come up with another new video very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.